What's up, guys? Welcome to Cointable. I'm Chris Tisdale. We had a batch of coins come back from the graders. It's a bulk batch, and we're going to open that box. I'm going to explain to you a couple of things throughout the process, and at the end, after we go through all the coins, I'm going to give you one of my biggest tips ever. All right, let's see what we got. One reject, that ain't too bad. I go through and I organize them. Well, these are, again, proof Kennedys. Gonna go through them really quick, take a look at them, and organize them so that we can repackage them and ship them off to the buyer. Not just randomly grading coins like this. I like to have them sold first. I'm gonna put all the 69s in here. So far we have 21 that are proof 69. So I did send a handful of accented hairs in with this batch, and so what I'm doing is I'm making sure that these are, number one, all the same grade, because we want to keep the grades together. And then I'm going to also make sure, number two, that they didn't put an accent hair in one of these and not label it as such, because the price difference is, I don't know, probably 300 bucks between just a regular one and one of these that's an accent hair. Just going over them real quick. Also make sure that there's nothing stained or messed up or anything like that that my buyer would have a problem with. So there's a lot of advantages to using a bulk, sending it in the bulk department, but sometimes you see situations like this where, I mean, that's just such a frosty coin and yet no cameo. So I feel like you miss a lot more cameos when you do bulk department, but that's alright. There's a trade-off for everything. Alright, so to kind of sum it up for you guys, 31 1964 in proof 67, 39 in 68, 23 in proof 69. Accented hairs, it looks like there were 7 that came back 67. Anyways, out of 11 we got 7 to come back 67, and then we got 4 to come back 68. And in case anybody's wondering, I am pre-screening these before they ever make it to NGC. I'm pre-screening them hard, especially these accented hairs there. You're not just gonna open accented hair Kennedys and find 7s and 8s. They come very, very common, are found hairlined and really spotted. That one, I could probably get a star, but I'll probably sell it as is. What we're gonna do now is we are going to go down to our office, print a couple of labels, get these in the boxes, and get them shipped off today. Those of you who made it through the entire unboxing of those coins, what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments what you think. Did you notice anything? Do you have any questions? Let me know. And as I mentioned, I'm going to tell you guys my biggest tip ever, and I should have followed that up with saying my biggest tip ever for making money in coins, and that is sell the coin first. So many people I know that are trying to get in this business or even in this business, they go out and they start buying coins. And, oh, I think I can do this, I think I can do that. My advice is to sell the coin first, then go out there and either find it or make it or, you know, whatever it is you're doing. So sell it first. These coins, these 1964 Kennedys, this entire batch, I had that batch sold before I ever sent that batch to the graders. And so make sure that that is something you guys are either doing, or if nothing else, make sure if you're out there to buy a coin so that you can turn around and sell it for a profit, make sure you know where you can sell it and how much you can get for it before you go out there and buy it. That is the biggest tip straight from Cointable, and I hope you guys can put it to good use. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.